guys, we're going to put on magnetic eyelashes using the magnetic eyeliner. I'm using the color gray. And we're going to put on Wonderlash. This is what Wonderlash looks like. And so I know magnetic eyeliner is really popular with you guys, and I know I usually wear the anchors only style, but I thought I would review again how to use this to get your eyelashes on. So very important, because this eyeliner is made out of different ingredients than normal eyeliner. When you take this out of the tube, try to not scrape up against the sides, because once whatever scrapes up along the sides of your magnetic eyeliner will harden, and then it'll fall back down into here with all of your new eyeliner, making it clumpy and not good. So I know it's very, very tempting, because every time we pull things out of tubes like this, we want to scrape it against the rim or against the inside. I know I do it all the time with lip gloss, but remember, different ingredients, just pull it straight out. If you feel like you have too much, you can just dab some of it here on your wrist, okay, before you get started. So 2 coats minimum. You can do 3 for extra security. Very important, the eyeliner has to dry in between your application. So we're gonna do 1 coat. I would recommend that if you are using magnetic eyeliner and maybe you would like to have a winged look, that you create your winged look however it is that you do it, using whatever products you use first, then just slapping on a layer of magnetic eyeliner after, or over the top of whatever you're making with your winged look. I just personally wouldn't waste product of magnetic eyeliner to create a winged look, and I don't know that maybe this is the best stuff to just make that look that you're desiring to get, but definitely if you want a winged look, do it with whatever stuff that you use already, and then slap 2 coats of magnetic eyeliner over that. So I'm going to go in for some more. Some of this has dried, so I don't think it's a good idea to dab back into this. So I'm just going to put my wand back inside the tube and pull it straight out. There is coat 1. We need to wait 1 minute before putting the next coat. Very important that this stuff dries in between your application process. So the kind of rule of thumb is that we have 1 coat, we're going to wait 1 full minute before applying the second coat. So 1 minute. Okay, it has been 1 minute since we put the first coat of magnetic eyeliner. We're going to come back in and we're going to put the second coat on. Again, just pull that wand straight up and out. Okay, now that I have 2 coats of magnetic eyeliner on, I need to wait 2 minutes. So we're going to let this dry for 2 minutes before we try putting eyelashes on. One thing that you should know is this is not like glue, so wet eyeliner does not make the magnetic lashes stick. It needs to be completely dry. So now we'll wait 2 minutes before we put anything on. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now since we did that. So we're going to take the lashes, Wonderlash, and we're going to put these on. They look like that. I really like Wonderlash because they kind of have that cat eye look and just a really good amount of fullness. They're a little bit shorter on the inside and then get longer as they reach the outer corner. So I am going to use my plastic Tory Bell lash applicator. These are $10 on the website. Once you have a pair of these, you won't need another pair unless something happens to it. But this really helps because regular tweezers are made out of stainless steel. And when you go to grab your lashes, the lashes are going to want to stick to your tweezers since they're made out of stainless steel. We're going to put these on starting with the inner corner first and then working our way to the outer corner. So there we go. I'm just going to make sure that this is intact. It's very important that when you get done using your lashes, that you clean off the back of the magnets, because you're going to notice how well they gravitate or don't gravitate towards the magnetic eyeliner. If it feels like there's a bit of a struggle and maybe you have brand new lashes, then you might want to do 3 coats. If you've been wearing yours for a while, you want to make sure that the back side is clean. So again, we're going to start on the inner corner. If you feel like you want some extra security, because I know with wearing false eyelashes, having your corners not lift up is a big deal. Even when I used to wear like glue lashes, I really didn't wear them all the time, just really special occasions. But even in those situations, the most embarrassing thing is that lashes are lifting from the corners. And I understand that, and that's why a lot of people go and get eyelash extensions, and I used to get eyelash extensions, you know, and for that reason I just didn't want to mess with anything lifting or me looking funny, looking weird. I know my boyfriend made fun of me a couple times when I was first trying out the magnetic eyelashes from Target, and so to just avoid those situations, I started wearing eyelash extensions. So if you would like to just really secure these eyelashes down, make sure that they're not going anywhere. All eyelashes come with these tiny little anchors. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. These little anchors that you can use. There's 6 magnets on here. You get 10 anchors. You can use as many or as little as you'd like. Since I'm already using eyeliner, I'm just going to secure this with 2 magnets, one on the outer corner, one on the inner corner of each eye. So again, I'm using my lash applicator. I'm holding it in a C shape so that it's going up. This is going to hook right underneath. And that's on. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the inner corner. If you're trying to work with anchors, you're definitely gonna want this plastic lash applicator, because if you're trying to use this with regular tweezers, you're gonna have a really difficult time using anchors with regular tweezers. So it's a good investment to get the plastic tweezers, especially if you want to work with the anchors. And that's it. Then you're ready to go. All done. And I'll get close so you can see. That's Wonder Lash.